Imagine creating unlimited high-quality diet plans, recipes, fitness content, and even social media posts, all in seconds without hiring a team, without prior experience, and keeping 100% of the profits. Sounds crazy, right? Well, today I'm showing you DietIQAI, the AI-powered health business machine that makes this possible. My first impression? This isn't just another AI tool. It's a complete business in a box for the booming $7 trillion health and wellness market. Whether you're a freelancer, coach, or marketer, you can create, rebrand, and sell premium content instantly. And yes, the results are real, and the setup is super easy. So what is DietIQAI exactly? It's a cloud-based platform that allows you to generate fully custom diet plans for any goal or diet type, create endless recipes with nutritional breakdowns, build workouts, social media content, and motivational scripts in seconds. It's designed for anyone looking to monetize health, fitness, or wellness content, even if you've never done it before. And the best part? No tech skills needed. Just create, customize, and sell.
Welcome to DietIQAI, your all-in-one AI-powered platform for creating diet plans, healthy recipes, marketing content, and more. Once you log in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you can see an overview of your account activities, including the total number of content pieces, diet plans, recipes, prompts, video scripts, marketing materials, and ebooks you've created. At the bottom, the Recent Content section displays your most recently generated items for quick access. On the left sidebar, you'll find all the main menus of DietIQAI: Diet Plan Creator, Recipe Generator, Prompt Generator, Content History, API Keys. Now, let's try creating a diet plan. Click on Diet Plan Creator. Here, you can choose the type of diet, from weight loss, muscle gain, and diabetic friendly, to paleo and many more. It's super easy. Just select your preferred diet type. Next, choose the duration of your plan: daily, weekly, or monthly. You can also add optional details like calorie targets or specific goals. Once you're done, click Generate Diet Plan. In just a few seconds, DietIQAI will create a customized plan based on your preferences. You can preview the result or view it as raw text. Below, you'll see your complete AI-generated diet plan. Fast, detailed, and professional. You can save it to your content history or export it anytime as a PDF or DOCX file. Next, let's check out the Recipe Generator. Click on Recipe Generator. Here, you can create diet-friendly recipes in seconds with just a few simple inputs. Start by naming your recipe. Then select your cuisine type: Indian, Mediterranean, Asian, American, Mexican, or Italian. Let's choose American for this example. Next, pick your dietary type, such as vegan, vegetarian, or keto. You can also adjust the number of servings using the arrows below. In the Additional Requirements box, add any extra notes or preferences. Once ready, click Generate Recipe, and in moments, you'll have a complete, high-quality recipe ready to use. You can save it, export it, or download it instantly in PDF or DOCX format. Now, let's explore the Prompt Generator. Click Prompt Generator. This feature helps you create powerful prompts with ease. You can choose from ready-made templates like meal plan ideas, workout plans, social media posts, motivational scripts, recipe ideas. For example, let's pick motivational script. In the Customize Prompt section, simply replace the placeholders with your own details. Then click Generate Prompt. Within seconds, your prompt is ready to use. Click Copy to use it directly in your favorite AI tool. Next, the Content History menu. Here, you can view all the content you've ever created. You can also export or download them anytime as PDF or DOCX files. Lastly, let's check the API Keys section. By default, you don't need to set up your own API key. DietIQAI works unlimited right out of the box. However, if you prefer to use your own API keys, you can easily configure them here. Just select your preferred AI provider, paste in your key, and you'll see it appear in your personal API list on the side. Creating professional, niche-specific diet and health content has never been this easy or fast. With DietIQAI, you can generate everything: from personalized diet plans to high-quality recipes, marketing content, and more. All powered by smart AI. Ready to supercharge your diet business or content creation? Get DietIQAI today and start creating high-converting diet plans and health content in minutes. No manual writing needed. Get instant access to DietIQAI now.
Here's the dashboard. Step 1. Choose a template, whether it's a diet plan, workout plan, or social media content. Step 2. Customize it with your preferences. You can select goals like weight loss, keto, vegan, or muscle gain. Step 3. Click Generate and boom, you have a professional, ready-to-sell piece of content in seconds. On the left, you can access the recipe generator, the prompt templates, and even the custom prompt creator. Everything is designed to save you time while producing premium content.
Hey, freelancers, influencers, and product creators. Supercharge your health content with DietIQAI. Let me ask you something. What if you could create unlimited diet plans, recipes, ready-made prompt templates, and fitness content in just a few clicks, and sell them under your own name for 100% profit? Introducing DietIQAI, your all-in-one AI-powered business in a box that helps you scale in the booming $7 trillion health and wellness industry. No skills or experience needed. And here's where it gets exciting. The agency license is included. That means you can sell unlimited content to clients, create white label PLR packs, and keep complete profits. DietIQAI gives you big brand power without the hassle. No team, no skills, no fancy tech needed. Create in-demand health content and build a business. Every click brings you closer to a business that grows while you sleep. The best part? It's incredibly easy to use. With DietIQAI, you're not just purchasing an app. You're gaining access to a complete system that empowers you to create income, influence, and independence wherever you are. Take an insight into what you are getting in DietIQAI. The diet plan generator instantly creates personalized meal plans for any goal: weight loss, keto, vegan, diabetic friendly, and more. Each plan looks professional, structured, and ready to sell, saving you hours of work every day. The recipe generator helps you produce endless recipe ideas with step-by-step instructions and full nutritional info. Perfect for recipe ebooks, meal guides, or social media posts your audience will love. And the prompt generator gives you ready-made AI templates to instantly create engaging content like meal plans, workouts, social posts, and motivational scripts, even if you've never written a prompt before. Every feature in DietIQAI is designed to save your time and multiply your profits, turning content creation into a business that practically runs on automatic. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, that's exactly what DietIQAI makes possible. You don't need to worry about prompts, rewriting, or formatting. Everything is done automatically. No monthly fees, no technical setup, no restrictions. Just pure profit potential in one of the fastest growing markets on the planet. Whether you're a freelancer looking to earn more on Fiverr or Upwork, a coach or nutritionist who wants to serve more clients, a PLR seller building digital products, or a marketer wanting to expand into the wellness niche, DietIQAI gives you everything you need to scale fast. And the results? Our beta users are already seeing results. Freelancers earning $50 to $300 per project. Product creators making $500 to $5,000 a month selling ebooks. And marketers turning DietIQAI content into steady passive income streams. Think about it. Health and wellness never go out of demand. People will always be searching for diet plans, healthy recipes, and fitness inspiration. Now you can be the one selling it in minutes, not months. So why wait? The health industry is massive, and early adopters always win. Right now, you can grab DietIQAI for a special one-time investment. No subscriptions, no hidden costs, and start building your own AI-powered health empire today. Click the button below and get instant access. Because with DietIQAI, you're not just creating content, You're creating a future of freedom, income, and impact. So go ahead. DietIQAI is 100% cloud-based, beginner-friendly, and built for real-world results.
Diet IQ also has optional upgrades. Pro Ultimate, $47. Unlock 25 plus niches, create ebooks, video scripts, and viral marketing content. Reseller license, $97. Full agency rights to sell content and keep 100% of the profits. These upgrades are optional, but perfect if you want to scale fast and dominate multiple niches. And to make this deal even sweeter, I've included over $2,000 worth of exclusive bonuses, only available if you grab Diet IQI through the link below. Here's a sneak peek. WP Swift Page Plugin. Speed up your website and reduce bounce rates. Lead Book Generator. Auto-collect leads directly from Facebook ads. Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers to emails and pages to boost sales. Affiliate System for product owners. Start your own affiliate network instantly. Vid Builder. Create responsive video sales pages in minutes. Xdeally and Xlinkly agency licenses. Resell tools and keep 100% of profits. 100 ready-made niche blogs. Get traffic-ready content immediately. Conversion Equalizer. Improve your Google Ads conversion rates automatically. WP Notification Bar. Capture attention and promote offers seamlessly. Auto Support Bot. Add a live chat with automated responses. And this is just a small portion of the bonuses. Every single one is designed to help you sell faster and earn more. So here's the final verdict. Diet IQAI is a serious money-making tool for anyone in health, fitness, or wellness. With the AI doing the heavy lifting, agency rights included, and my exclusive bonus stack, you literally have everything you need to launch and scale your own business. But act fast. These bonuses are limited and will expire in just 48 hours. After that, you'll miss out on this full bundle. So make sure to grab it while it's still available. If you want to start creating smarter, healthier, and profitable content instantly, click the link below to get Diet IQI plus all my exclusive bonuses. Don't forget to like this video, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe for more reviews and marketing tips. Grab it now and start your AI-powered health business today.